Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about e to the power of s equal to secant of t squared. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. Next, we know that e to the power of s, that is about this one. So I will put this one gone here. Now we need to simplify for the both sides. So this one I will put in here. The s we change by this one. This one we have tan t squared. And this one we have tan t. And now we need to simplify. So we have number 2. The integration of dt, we have t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we put the square root for the both sides. So we have e to the power of s equal to secant of t. So we have t equal to arcsecant of this one. And now we need to change t into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.